Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, officer.
Do you know why I stopped you?
No, officer. Is there a problem?
You were driving over the speed limit.
Oh, I'm sorry. How fast was I driving?
You were driving at 70 kilometers per hour.
What is the speed limit here?
The speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour.
I'm very sorry. I didn't notice the sign.
May I see your driver's license, please?
Of course. It's in my wallet.
Please take your time.
Thank you. Here it is.
Thank you. May I also see your vehicle registration?
Certainly. It's in the glove compartment.
All right.
Here you are.
Thank you. Is this your car?
Yes, it is.
Where are you going today?
I'm going to the hospital to visit my wife.
Is there an emergency?
No, there isn't. Visiting time begins soon, so I was in a hurry.
I understand, but speeding is dangerous.
You're right. I should have been more careful.
Have you received a speeding ticket before?
No, officer. This is my first time.
Please wait here while I check your documents.
All right.
Thank you for waiting, sir.
Is everything okay?
Yes, your license and registration are valid.
That's good.
I'm giving you a warning today.
Thank you, officer. I really appreciate it.
Please watch the speed limit from now on.
I will. I promise to drive more slowly.
Here are your documents.
Thank you.
You may leave now, but check the road before pulling out.
I will. Have a good day, officer.
You too, sir. Drive safely.
I will. Goodbye.